Hello and namaskar to all my wonderful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today let's discuss about how to overcome fear. Fear is one thing that which even don't exist. So we cannot overcome something which even doesn't exist. To create fear, we have to use the excessive imagination. To not be in fear, we don't have to do nothing. Fear is happening because only excessive imagination of the mind, because we take up some thought or take some idea in our mind, and in our subconscious mind or unconsciousness we doing thousands of permutation and combination of what may happen tomorrow or what may not happen tomorrow, and between and in basis of that we are creating our fear. And most of the time what we think that we may happen tomorrow, most of the time 99% time that don't happen. So fear is really one thing that which doesn't exist. So we cannot overcome or fight against something that which even not exist, isn't it? We can only fight or overcome something that which exists. That which not exist, we cannot fight against that. We only have to do one thing. We only have to give up the effort of creating fear. That's it. And fear is happening because we are too much identified ourselves with many things. We must remind that this is the most sophisticated life, and this life must to be happy and joyful and wonderful always. This piece of life is most important, not the survival part, like whatever we create, maybe job, business, car, house, or whatever the infrastructure we are creating. That's only the survival part of life. That's only happen from this. So this part of life is more important, not identified. If identification is gone, we do anything and everything with 100% involvement, but not to identified with anything. Because what happens when you identified with anything, then your mind is doing its own thing relentlessly, and mind is like monkey. So that's it. Do not identify yourself with anything and give up the effort of creating fear. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you love this. Thank you so very much. Namaskar. And as always say that if we do not do what we cannot do in our life, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then we are really a disaster. As a human being, as the greatest highest evolutionary being, we must not be disaster in our life. That's it. And in the comment section you must to comment that what sorts of video you want from me that I discuss in the future, that I will. So that's it, and leave your comment that how you love my content. And that's it. Thank you so very much. Namaskar. Love you all.